Hi, Eric Sorensen here again, science writer for Washington State University and author of the Digital Life feature in this issue of the magazine. We have with us Patty Ericsson. She's the director of the Digital Life and Culture program at Washington State University. She's very well versed in digital tools and where they're coming from and where they're headed. We have some of these tools in front of us now. And Patty, if you can, please let's just address how some of these tools are actually like the old school tools, ancient Sumerian texts, the Bible, the printed money that you will sometimes take your students to go look at.
Okay. They're like those texts in that they are made to record knowledge of some sort. So the most ancient of writing was used to keep track of livestock and to keep track of goods. And then they developed new symbols so they could communicate other things. So the new technologies are the same as the old technologies in that the purpose is to communicate from person to person, or from group to group, or from culture to culture. Mm-hmm. So basically, the groundbreaking thing, the grounding of them is communication, human communication.
And naturally, these now are getting faster. They're reaching around the world. Are they telling us something different in the process, just by the nature of how they communicate?
I think they're changing. This is a book that is words only and words in a row, mm-hmm. and has ink stains on tree carcasses, as some people say it. And so there aren't any pictures, and we are very visual beings. And now that we have different modes of production, mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
We are getting back to the future, I think, of combining written text, with pictures, with images, with sound, attracting there's more attention given to our whole set of senses, uh-huh. rather than just one very highly stylized sense and ability to read alphanumeric text.
Yeah. Now, we have some things here, a Google phone and a small computer, yeah. And
This is a Kindle.
A Kindle.
So this is a different way of reading a book.
Now, for all we know, in 5 years it'll be something completely different. Can you venture a guess of what it might be or where we're headed?
Well, we're looking at media convergence. So, we're looking at the iPhone and the iPad that are bringing in multimedia of all kinds. And that's going to continue. And we're looking at portability. This is what people want.
Yeah.
I think we're looking at this with a projector, so that if I am someplace and I don't want to read on this screen, which is difficult, the older you get, the more difficult it is, mm-hmm. in fact, then you will have a built-in little projector and you can project it on a wall. The projector will be no bigger than, maybe an inch by an inch, but you can get a display on a wall. Can't imagine that things will get more miniature, and yet they keep getting more miniature.